Hey there, adventure seekers! Have you ever dreamt of gliding over serene waters, the gentle breeze in your hair and endless possibilities ahead? Well, guess what? Today, I'm going to introduce you to something that might just blow your mind. It's called the Supmaran. Now imagine this. You're standing on a sleek, sturdy paddleboard cutting through crystal clear waters. The sun is shining and there's nothing but open water ahead. But wait, what if you feel like switching things up? What if you want a bit more stability, or maybe invite a friend along? With the Supmaran, you can. The Supmaran is an innovative modular kit that gives you the best of both worlds. It's a brilliant combination of 2 stand-up paddleboards and 1 catamaran. Yes, you heard me right. You can either enjoy the freedom of paddleboarding solo, or transform it into a catamaran for a more relaxed social experience. Here's how it works. You start with 2 high-quality inflatable stand-up paddleboards. They're designed for performance and stability, so you get the perfect paddleboarding experience. But when you want to switch things up, simply connect the boards using the modular kit. In just a few minutes, you've got yourself a catamaran. It's that easy. Imagine paddling out to a secluded spot, anchoring down, and just chilling with friends on your very own catamaran. Maybe you want to do some fishing or just soak up the sun. The Supmaran makes it possible. It's versatile, easy to assemble, and perfect for anyone who loves the water. Now you might be wondering, is it safe? Absolutely. The Supmaran kit is built with safety in mind. It's constructed from durable, high-quality materials that ensure stability and reliability. Plus, it's easy to transport and store, so you can take it with you wherever your adventures lead. So whether you're an avid paddleboarder looking for a new twist, or someone who loves the idea of a personal catamaran, the Supmaran is your perfect companion. It's all about flexibility, fun, and making the most of your time on the water. And there you have it. The Supmaran, where your next great adventure awaits. Paddleboard or catamaran. With the Supmaran, you don't have to choose. Go out there, make waves, and create unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your fellow adventure seekers. Until next time, stay curious and stay adventurous. Remember, the world is your playground. Why not explore it in style with the Supmaran? TechG 4882.